Do you know why a pot of water makes noise before boiling? When you heat a pot of water, not all of it reaches the same temperature right away. The heat comes from the bottom, making the water there hotter. This creates tiny bubbles of steam at the bottom, but as they try to rise, they encounter cooler water, which causes them to collapse. This process creates vibrations and noise, known as cavitation, as the bubbles pop and form again. As the water continues to heat, those tiny bubbles eventually grow larger and escape as steam, producing the characteristic hissing sound you hear. This bubbling sound is a sign that the water is heating up and getting closer to a full boil, where larger bubbles will form and rise more freely to the surface. Now you can ask your friends,